Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt received the fastest male alive after winning the three gold medals at the 2008 Olympic Games in Beijing, China, and becoming the first man in Olympic history to win both the 100 and 200 meter races in record time. But also won three Olympic gold medals at the 2012 Summer Olympic Games in London. Along the way, noting an Olympic record time of but also won three Olympic gold medals at the 2012 Summer Olympic Games in London. Along the way, noting an Olympic record time of 9.63 second in the 2000 meter to 100 meter, making him the first man in history to set three world records in Olympic competition. He made history again at the 2060 Summer Games in Rio with gold medal in the 200 and 200 meter race and four time 1,100 meter relay. The wins gave him a triple, three golds over three consecutive Olympic. Took he later was stripped of one of the relay gold because of a team doping violation. Bolt was born on August 21 when Bolt was born on Agustus 21 1986 in Jamaica. Both a standout cricket player and a sprinter, really on Bolt's natural speed was noticed by coach at school, and he began to focus so highly on sprinting under the tutelage of Pablo McNeil, a former Olympic sprint athlete. Willis would later serve as both coach and mentor. As daily as a 40 Bolt was going fans with his lightning speed, and he won his first high school champion medal in 2001, taking the silver in the 200 meter race. And the act of 50 Bolt took his first shot at Suks on the world stage at the 2002 World Junior Champion in Kingston, Jamaica, where he won the 200 meter dash, making him the young World Junior gold medalist ever. But fifth impress of sport world, and he received the International Ascent of Athletic Foundation Rising Star Award the year, boosting the recognition of a young man soon to be known as Lightning Bolt. At the Berlin 2009 World Champion, Bolt set a world record time of 9.58 seconds for the 100 meter race, notching on the speed of 227.8 miles per hour for 34.72 kilometer per hour. Between meter 60 on 80 with an average speed of 23.5 mph. Despite a nagging hamstring injury, Bolt has captain of the Jamaica Olympic squad for the 2004 Athens Olympic. He was eliminated in the first round of the 200 meter talk again hampered by injury, but record the world top 5 ranking in 2005 and 2006. Unfortunately, injuries continue to plague the 65 sprinter, preventing him from complete a full professional season in 2007. Bolt broke international 200 meter record hit for over 30 years by Binalkur and earned 2 silver medal at the World Champion in Osaka, Japan. This medal was Bolt decided to run and took a more serious chance toward his career. And the 2008 Beijing Summer Olympic, Bolt ran the 100 meter and 200 event. In the 100 final leading up to games, he broke the world record, winning in 9.69 seconds. Not only was the record set without a formally win, but he also visibly slowed it down to celebrate before he finished, and his solace was united, an act that aroused much controversy. Later on, he went on to win 3 gold medals and break 3 world records in Beijing. At the 2000 and 12 Summer Olympic Games held in London, Bolt won his 4th Olympic gold medal in the men's 200 meter race, beating rival Johan Blake, who won silver in the event. Bolt ran the race in 9.63 seconds, a new Olympic record. The win marked Bolt's second consecutive gold medal in the 100. A win on the compete in the men's 200, claiming his second consecutive gold medal in that race as well. He became the first man to win both the 100 and 200 in consecutive Olympic Games, as well as the first man to ever win back-to-back gold medals in double sprint. Bolt's accomplishment made him the first man in history to set 3 world records in a single Olympic Games competition. Bolt record to Olympic glory at the 2060 Summer Olympic Games when he won gold in the 200 meter race, making him the first athlete to win 3 successive titles in the event. He finished the race in 9.81 seconds with American runner and rival Justin Gatlin, who to silver 0.08 seconds behind him. This is why I came here to the Olympic to prove to the world that I am the best again. Her thought reports a new conference. It always feel good to go out on top. You know what I mean? Bolt lahir pada 21 Agustus 1946 di Jamaika. Baik pemain Pickett yang menonjol dan sprinter sejak awal. Kecepatan alami baru diperhatikan oleh pelatih di sekolah dan dia mulai fokus hanya pada sprint di bawah pengawasan Pablo Emchenel. Mantan atlet sprint Olimpiade Glenn Mills kemudian menjadi pelatih dan mentor Bolt. Sejak usia 14 tahun, Bolt menemukan penggemar dengan kecepatan kilatnya dan dia memenangkan medali kejuaraan sekolah menengah pertamanya pada 2001. Meraih perak dalam lomba 200 meter pada usia 15, Bolt melakukan pukulan pertamanya untuk sukses di panggung dunia di kejuaraan dunia. Junior 2002 di Kingston, Jamaika, di mana ia memenangkan lari 200 meter, jadikan peraih medali emas junior dunia termuda yang ada. Prestasi Bolt mengesankan dunia olahraga dan ia menerima penghargaan bintang baru dari Asosiasi Internasional Yayasan Atletik tahun itu, meningkatkan pengakuan seorang pemuda yang segera dikenal sebagai Lightning Bolt. Bolt lahir pada 21 Agustus 1986 di Jamaika. Pada kejuaraan dunia 2009, Berlin, Bolt mencatat waktu rekor dunia 9,58 detik untuk balapan 100 meter dan kecepatan tertinggi 27,8 mil per jam, 44,72 km per jam antara meter 60-80 dan kecepatan rata-rata 23,5 mph. Meskipun cedera hamstring mengganggu, Bolt dipilih untuk skuad Olimpiade Jamaika untuk Olimpiade Athena 2004. Dia tersingkir di babak pertama dari 200 meter. Meskipun lagi-lagi terhambat oleh cedera, Bolt mencapai peringkat 5 besar dunia pada tahun 2005 dan 2006. Sayangnya cedera terus mengganggu sprinter 6,5. Mencegahnya menyelesaikan musim profesional penuh pada tahun 2007. Bolt memecahkan rekor 200 meter nasional yang dipegang selama lebih dari 30 tahun oleh Donald Queer, dan mendapatkan 2 medali perak di kejuaraan dunia di Osaka, Jepang. Medali ini mendorong keinginan Bolt untuk berlari dan dia mengambil sikap yang lebih serius terhadap karirnya pada Olimpiade musim panas Beijing 2008. Bolt berlari 100 meter dan nomor 200 meter di final 100 meter menjelang Olimpiade yang memecahkan rekor dunia, menang dalam 9,69 detik. Tidak hanya rekor yang dia buat tanpa angin yang mendukung, tetapi ia juga terlibat melambat untuk merayakan sebelumnya selesai dan tali sepatunya terlepas. Sesuai tindakan yang menimbulkan banyak kontroversi di kemudian hari, dia menangkan 3 medali emas dan memecahkan 3 rekor dunia di Beijing. Pada Olimpiade musim panas 2012 yang diadakan di London, Bolt memenangkan medali emas Olimpiade keempatnya dalam lomba lari 100 meter putra, mengalahkan saingannya Johan Black yang memenangkan perak dalam acara tersebut. Bolt berlari balapan dalam 9,63 detik, rekor Olimpiade baru. Kemenangan tersebut menandai medali emas kedua berturut-turut di Bolt di nomor 100. Dia melanjutkan untuk bersaing di 200 putra, mengklaim medali emas kedua berturut-turut dalam perlombaan itu juga. Dia menjadi orang pertama yang menangkan nomor 100 dan 200 di Olimpiade berturut-turut. Serta orang pertama yang menangkan medali emas berturut-turut adalah sprinter ganda. Prestasi Bolt menjadikan orang pertama dalam sejarah yang mencetak 3 rekor dunia dalam satu kompetisi Olimpiade. Bolt kembali ke kejayaan Olimpiade di Olimpiade musim panas 2016. Ketika ia menangkan emas dalam perlombaan 100 meter, menjadikannya atlet pertama yang menangkan 3 gelar berturut-turut dalam acara tersebut. Dia menyelesaikan balapan dalam 9,81 detik dengan pelari Amerika dan saingannya Justin Gatlin yang mengambil perak 0,08 detik di belakangnya. Inilah mengapa saya datang ke sini ke Olimpiade untuk membuktikan kepada dunia bahwa saya yang terbaik. Sekali lagi katanya kepada wartawan pada konferensi pers, selalu terasa menyenangkan untuk menjadi yang teratas. Anda tahu apa yang saya maksud?